In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting with Zoom and then add agenda to the meet. So anybody receiving the invitation will receive it with an agenda that is directly with the content in the meeting invitation. So let's say I'm going to schedule a meeting, okay? And then I'm going to go over to give the title, for example, meeting with Kano, and then you can specify the date, the timing. So you have all of this intact. Invitees you don't want. So agenda, you can click to add the agenda. Okay, so add the topic here. So these are the maybe major agendas to be talked about during the meetings. If you have an attachment, you can add. If you have other details, you can change in here. And once you are done, you can say, okay, now you have your meeting arranged. Now, if you go to meetings, you'll be able to see that meeting on 16th. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see the details of it, including the agenda. Okay, so you can open the meeting agenda in Google Docs as well. So you can see now you have a meeting agenda, which is very, very, very visible. Okay, so if you found this helpful, please leave a like.